From the modern metropolis of Seoul to a tranquil 7th century Buddhist temple in the South Korean mountains, Korean cuisine is at the leading edge of today's plant-forward movement. Today's Korean chefs are redefining global dining trends, presenting their guests with bold flavors and exciting creations. In many ways, Korean cuisine is uniquely suited to the plant-forward movement. Korean culinary history encompasses an immense collection of vegetable dishes. In this part of Asia, Buddhist monks and nuns introduced elaborate vegan temple cuisine over 1,600 years ago. Every country has a few signature dishes that illuminate its culture. In this documentary, we'll see how Korean chefs build flavor using fermentation and other culinary techniques. The Asian Plant-Forward Kitchen Korea is the first edition of the Culinary Institute of America's and Pulmuone's Asian Plant-Forward Kitchen series. A first-of-its-kind curriculum initiative documenting the best of plant-forward culinary traditions in Asia. The culinary expertise and creativity of these chefs show us that plant-forward food can be craveable to even the most dedicated carnivores. Join us on this appetizing tour of South Korea as we reveal innovative and inspiring plant-forward flavors of this beloved Asian region that is attracting diners from around the world.